Hi everyone, welcome back after a very long time. In this video, we are going to learn how can we install Oracle Linux on our virtual machine. So since we are going to do this on a virtual machine, we will be needing a virtual machine software on our host operating system. So for me, it is Linux. So if you are using Windows as a host operating system, the steps for installation of Oracle Linux will be pretty much same for both the cases. It is exactly the same. So we have to download two things from here. So Google up, we have to download the VMware Workstation Pro, which we are using in this video as a virtualization software. And also along with this, we will be downloading the operating system OS image of Oracle Linux. So without further delay, let's Google up and search for VMware Workstation Pro. Click on the first link. Download Fusion or Workstation. Then we have to log in this case, since I have already created my account, so it will log me to Broadcom automatically. Click on My Downloads and click on Free Software Downloads available here. Now, from the drop down, click on VMware. In the product name, we will write Workstation. Once done, we will click on this. We will select our host OS in this case, which is Linux for me. We will click on the latest release and we will simply download it. Click on the cloud icon here. Now since I have already downloaded, I will not be showing you that part. Now we will download the operating system image. Google up and search for Oracle Linux ISO download. The first website which you see from Yum Oracle, go to that, scroll down to 7.9 version. Now here you have to download the full ISO version, which is important for our case. So you will see the full ISO version here. So we will download the 7.9 release. Simply fire up VMware Workstation Pro. This is my existing VM, so I will be deleting this. And what you will do is come to File, New Virtual Machine, keep everything as recommended. Here you have to find your downloaded image. Go to Downloads and you will find the image which you just downloaded. It's R7 U9 server release. 4.9 gigs. You have to have that much space. Click on Next. Now here I will be increasing my disk allocation for my VM to 50 GB. And I will be storing the virtual disk as a single file. And now here you have to allocate the RAM manually, because we will be needing at least 4 GB of RAM for our database installation. So simply I will be tweaking it to 4 gigs. All right, I don't know why this is not updating. Anyways, let's give a 4000 MB size. Come to processors, allocate at least 4 processors with 2 cores. Click on 4 and number of cores per processor will be 2. Once done, I'm not sure why this memory is not getting updated. Yeah, it got updated now. So 8 cores of CPU, 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of disk storage. Click on Finish. I will be closing all this. Close it. And we can see that our VM is booting up. It will check the necessary files before installation. It is showing that hardwares which are currently installed. Click on the default settings and it will do some necessary pre-installation steps. Now this will be faster or slower depending upon the amount of RAM and CPU you allocate. Once done, we will have to select the necessary things from here. It will be English in my case and English India in the keyboard layout. Once done, we will be setting up the date and time, which I guess it has taken automatically. Now we have to come to software selection. Date is automatically selected. Software selection, we have to select server with GUI because we need interactive OS for our learning purpose. However, you can install the database from your terminal as well, but GUI gives a better feel of how you install the things. It gives you more control, by the way, and select everything which is present over here so that we have less hassle when we install the database. Skip nothing, just install everything. Once done, we have to keep the install destination automatic. It is doing some necessary pre-installation checks. It is showing that 50 gigs is allocated. We'll change nothing from here. Click on done. Then come to begin installation. Just read everything. Now here you have to select your root password and user creation. Remember, a strong password is always helpful for security checks. Just repeat the same. Once done, we will create a user named Oracle. Now why this user? Because it will be helping us for installation of database in future terms. Enter the password of Oracle user and make sure you check this to make this user as administrator so that you have less hassle during the installation of the database. Once this is done, it will take some time for installation of the things. We will allow it some time. Okay, we are almost done. Bootloader has been installed. Creating the users, it is doing the things by default. Okay, it has finally done with the installation. We have to now accept the license information. Just read everything and click on I accept. Then click on done. Once done, click on network, just turn it on. It will auto detect the things. Click on done and just simply finish configuration. Then it will reboot. and click on the Oracle user. Enter the password for the Oracle user which you have just created, and we will end up seeing this. This is 1.9. Do the necessary changes, click on next, skip, and we are ready to go. So that's how we install Oracle Linux on our virtual machine. I hope this video was helpful. In the following videos, we will be installing Oracle Database 19c on this instance. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.